Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. So today I prepared some pumpkin soup. This soup is so delicious. I guarantee you, if you want to try this, you won't regret, and you want to make this over and over. So for this recipe, I had my cooked pumpkins. I just cut my pumpkins and cook them together with the skin. So I had to take off the skin, and I just needed the inside part so that I can blend them for the soup. So after taking off the skin, I added 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I put that aside, then grated 1 small onion, and then some garlic cloves. So after I grated this, I fried it in a pan and mixed with the pumpkin and blended them all together. So I use some olive oil, and then I put all the grated onion and garlic. I fry them a little bit, and then I added them in the blender together with the pumpkins. Here we go. And then I blended this for some few seconds. So this was still too thick, as you can see. So what I had to do, I had to add some cream butternut squash. So I added 2 cups of creamy butternut squash, and then I blended them once again until the desired consistency I wanted. So here we go, that's what I wanted. So from there I also added some olive oil in a pot, and then I added all the pumpkin puree in the pot. Here we go. So I had to mix this well, and then I covered it and cook in a low heat for some few minutes. And then I added 1 tablespoon of butter and some salt, and then I added some cinnamon powder and oregano powder, and lastly I added some Raja curry powder. Oh, this was so nice, I'm telling you. If you want to follow exactly what I've done, you want to enjoy this soup in case you want to try. So I let this simmer for some few minutes, and then the soup was almost ready there. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Looks so yummy. Anyway, so the soup was ready, and then I have to put in my soup bowl, and I had to do my toppings. Here we go. Look at the soup. Oh, it looks so nice. Anyway, so for the toppings, I had to top with maple syrup first, and then after I put my maple syrup on my soup, and then I had to put the mint leaves. I used the mint leaves, mixed the parsley leaves. Here we go. If you want to try, you can top up with whatsoever you want to top up with. So I also used the pumpkin seeds. So after I used the pumpkin seeds, I also had that almond and oat enhancer. Oh, this is so delicious. Some people use it for coffee, but I just decided to use it to top with my soup. It's so nice and it looks delicious. I also used some black pepper. I sprinkle some black pepper on top. And the last thing I had to do is to sprinkle with some parsley leaves. So I used the scissors and cut some small piece of parsley leaves and sprinkle it on top. Oh my God, you can't imagine how nice this soup was. Oh, I nearly bite myself. Here we go. That soup was ready. The soup was ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are new, please consider subscribing. And thank you everyone for choosing to watch my videos, and thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So yummy.
So yummy.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Gabby is saying thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe. This is the best soup ever I've had in my life. Wow.